Hello everyone. And then there's the print. The first thing is to stick anti-stretch paper on the back of this. And I use duct tape instead. Then this knife is very easy to use. It's a loafer. You can search it. Then the words of this printer, pars, usually top this edge first. Then, the main use is these 3 printing tools. And there's a marble slide underneath us. And then long lines like this. Well, we usually knock from the front floor, which floor is completely unblocked. Then knock this layer first. After knocking, go back layer by layer. Then what about these 3 printing tools? It's the big, medium, and white one. Usually used to note this longer lie. The one with a gentle slide. And then the slope is steeper. Where if his lines are very short, just change to a medium or small. Then, in the process of knocking, if there is not enough water, the leather will dry out. To replenish washer in China. Otherwise, his print will not be obvious. And then is not. Then he was in the process. What's more complicated is the pattern. The pattern and some layers of this hair. Generally, we must open the original image. Chair neck. And now you see the shading. Shading and the printing tool is really small. Because if it is small, it will hand down harder. Then this level can be separated out. And every time I nod, I got really desperate. But after knocking, his sense of hierarchy is very obvious. Okay, that's it for today. Bye.